Welcome to Market Snapshot from the InCred Equities desk. In this podcast, our expert from the equities research team helps you navigate the stock markets with a quick roundup on the previous day's closing, along with relevant insights. Whether you are an experienced investor or starting out, this podcast will equip you to take informed decisions.
Good morning, everyone. Nifty continued to witness intense pressure, and this was surprising as well. Yes, we were discussing about 26,500 being the next level as long as Nifty trades below 24,000. Though it has moved in line with the expectation of a fall of 350 points in a single day after a fall of similar proportion day before, that was something which was not expected. And the kind of fall we have seen in Bank Nifty, more than 1,000 points towards the end of trading session. Mid-cap index more than 2.5% down. Same goes for small cap 100 index, which was down more than 2.5%. That is something, the intensity was a bit surprising. My expectations were that 26,500 will come. It was expected to come in a jiffy, but over a period of 2-3 days, I did not envisage that this will happen in a single day. Nifty closed near the low point of day. All the indices closed near the low point of day. There was intense pressure. Market breadth was extremely negative yesterday, and that resulted in a fall on every hour. There was just no recovery. Even a 20-30 point rise in Nifty was met with ferocious selling. Interestingly, yet again the FI number comes at a sell of 2,500 crores, which again does not justify the kind of fall we have seen in the indices, in the stocks yesterday. Domestic bought around 6,100 crores. Though the number looks large, it is predominantly because of block deals, and that has made it more than the average. Nevertheless, the continued selling by FIs is also dampening the spirits. Rising dollar is also causing concern. USD INR is slowly inching towards 84.5. That is also going to play a role in equities, though it has been actively managed. RBI has now said that they will not be managing USD INR ferociously now. I don't know how much of that is going to be true, but that's the statement that they have made, that they're not going to interfere too much into the currency markets. If that happens, ideally USD INR should be going towards 86. Dollar index near 106.5 continues to put a lot of pressure. We have seen that happening in the bullion markets. US equity markets closed flat. They were up about 0.5%, but towards the end of trading session they became flat. As I said, there's a small reversal in Dow Jones from a rising trend line variations. Same goes for S&P. Chance of a failure of a rising wedge pattern. If that happens, we may see a very swift fall coming in the S&P index as well. If Nifty point towards 20 points upside as we speak, so in all likelihood we'll open on a flattish note. We might again try to attempt yesterday's low, but if those are sustained, we may see a bounce back. Now comes the interesting part. Nifty mid-cap 100, Nifty small-cap 100, all of these indices have closed right at the 200 exponential moving average on daily charts. And since since April 2023, we have seen multiple attempts happening, and all of these attempts survived the 200-day exponential moving average. And the interesting point, this touching of the coveted moving average is on back of positive divergence in RSI, meaning the prices have fallen in Nifty mid-cap 100, small-cap 100 index, but RSI, which is derivative of price, that has not made a new swing low. So that is an early indication that the downtrend is exhausting. Interesting to see if we see another 150 points today in the fall, then maybe RSI may again make a fresh swing low. But if that is not the case, this is a good chance of a bounce back. Nifty can have a 500-600 point bounce. Similar with the broader market, they can have 2 or 3% bounce coming in a short while. Risk traders, this is only for risk traders because there's no confirmation as such, as in this is a closely low point of day. But risk traders can buy Nifty, keeping the stop loss at 23,400. These are spot levels. For futures, one can keep a stop loss of 24,450, and one can play for 2% upside in the markets. That is it from our side. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.